Hi, this is Abe Landers of EcoTank, and with the situation right now, almost everything is digital. Even important documents such as contracts, receipts, and application forms can be issued in digital form. However, there are times when we need those documents physically. In that scenario, a good printer is essential. But what if you want to turn a physical document into digital? For that, you need a scanner. Does that mean that you need two machines just to do those things? Well, not necessarily, as there are all-in-one machines that are capable of doing those tasks. Just like the Epson EcoTank L14150 printer that we have here. It's a 4-in-1 printer that can print, scan, copy, and fax with ADF. The Epson EcoTank L14150 is a pretty sleek device with a compact and space-saving design, meaning it won't take a lot of desk space. It will also look good in a home office. As the name suggests, it has its own refillable ink tank, and each package is bundled with a starter kit of 4 bottles of Epson genuine inks. It's economical as well as it has a high page yield of 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color. It can also handle a variety of paper sizes that include legal, letter, folio, and up to A3+. Aside from printing legal documents, you can also use this to print study materials if you have kids at home. When it comes to printing, it's a fast one with a print speed of up to 17 IPM or images per minute.
It doesn't just print fast, but also saves energy with Epson's heat-free technology, as no heat is required during the ink ejection process. Talk about more savings.
One cool feature of the Epson EcoTank L14150 is its auto duplex function, meaning the printer can print on both sides of the paper. It works by printing on one side first, then it will feed the paper back into the printer so you can print on the other side, saving you time and printing resources. Typical printers usually require you to connect your laptop or PC to the printer via a USB cable, which is cumbersome and messy. And you don't have to worry about that, as this printer supports Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet. You can place the printer at a distance from your PC or laptop and still be able to print wirelessly. You can even print straight from your smartphone or tablet using the Epson Smart Panel app. What if we want to do the reverse? From physical, we want to turn it into digital. That's where the flatbed scanner comes in. It can accommodate letter, A4 to legal folio size papers, and can scan in color, grayscale, black and white with an optical resolution of 1200 by 2400 dpi. You can use this to scan signed documents, receipts, IDs, even photographs, so you can store them in the cloud. As you can see, the Epson EcoTank L14150 is a great printer for your home office. It's convenient, easy to use, and economical. So what do you guys think about this Epson EcoTank L14150 printer that we have here? Do leave a comment in the comment section down below so we know what you think about this baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification icon so you don't forget on our future uploads. Also, don't forget to visit ecotank.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Abe, and I'll see you in our next video.